Welcome to this beautiful chakra meditation. Making sure you're in a comfortable position, whether that's cross-legged with your back straight and your chin tipped up, or whether that's lying down or sat on a chair, whatever's most comfortable for you. When you're ready, take a nice slow breath in and exhale peacefully. When you balance the chakras by meditating on them, concentrating all of your focus on each, you see the events in your life as symbolic, with beautiful lessons to be learned. Okay, so we'll start to focus on the crown chakra, located just above your head. It radiates the color violet for some people, deep purple for others, or maybe you experience white. Visualize this chakra symbolized by 1,000 flower petals. Imagine that you can spin this chakra like a top. See it increasing in speed until it is spinning with its bright color faster than the speed of light. Repeat this mantra. Everything is connected. Now take a deep breath and see the crown chakra radiating far out from your body. Good. Now bring your focus to the third eye chakra, found in the center of your forehead, just slightly above the eyebrows. It glows in a deep indigo color, a perfect mix of blue and purple. Visualizing this chakra with the symbol of an inverted perfect triangle. Now feeling how you can spin this chakra too. See it accelerating until it's spinning so fast that the indigo is shining faster than the speed of light. Repeat the mantra, free the mind. Take a deep breath and see the third eye chakra radiating far out from your body. Great. Bringing all of your awareness to the throat chakra now. It's right in the center of your throat, represented by a gorgeous pure blue. like that of the sky or the ocean. This chakra could be seen as an 8-sided mandala with intricate designs within it. Experience the ability to spin this chakra as well. It's increasing in speed until you know it's traveling faster than anything you've ever seen. Repeating this mantra, my words are especially pure. Inhale deeply, and as you breathe, see the throat chakra radiating out so far from your body. Nice. Now the heart chakra. In the very center of your strong chest, colored with a lush green, like that of nature. It can be seen in the shape of a 6-sided star, interlaced with beautiful patterns. Spin this chakra until it cannot possibly go any faster. Repeat the mantra, I choose love. Breathe deep, seeing the heart chakra glowing so brightly that it expands far out from your body. Beautiful. Now gathering your awareness around your solar plexus chakra, just below the ribs, in the center of your torso, aligned with the level of your resting elbows. See it beautifully colored, a deep, vibrant yellow, similar to a magnificent sunset. It is also seen as the shape of an inverted triangle, yet surrounded by a circle of 10 evenly spaced petals. Spin in the chakra as fast as you can. The mantra to resonate is shine on. Inhale fully. Clearly experience the solar plexus chakra shining so brightly that it's extending far from your physical form. Good. Bring all of your attention to the sacral chakra. About 2 inches below the navel, in the center of your lower abdomen. The color is a most brilliant orange, like the perfect pumpkin. It is simply a circle holding on to 6 lovely petals. Spinning it until it's in an unstoppable motion. Hear the mantra, happiness is within. And then breathe fully, feeling the sacral chakra shining so bright that it goes far beyond your body. Amazing. And lastly, concentrate only on the root chakra at the base of your spine, the tailbone. A bright red is glowing here, the colour of a valentine. The design is square, encompassed with a circle, graced with 4 large petals. Now spin this chakra with all your might, going faster than anything. And repeat this last mantra. Take root. Breathing deeply, seeing the root chakra shine out so magnificently that it extends far out from your body. Wonderful. All of your chakras are balanced, and you are ready to take on life with great influence on the world. Open your eyes. Thank you.